So what is up, guys? Back here with another episode of Fishing Pole today. I'm doing the part 2 of the ice rod versus regular rod jalapeno challenge today. We're actually going to finish the challenge and someone is going to have to eat the jalapeno. And I had to do a part 2 because it was so windy, but luckily it is almost dead calm today and we've just gotten the bluegill. They're really biting, so the action's going to be good today. And I think it's going to be a good day and hope they don't lose. The current score on the second end of the last episode was 6-2, so that's where we're going to leave off from. I'm freezing already because I was crossing through the water to get over to the spot where we were last week, and my boot had a hole in it and didn't even know about it. So my feet got soaking, and now I'm barefoot in the ground, and it is freezing. But okay, I'm out with the great spook again. I'm versing my friend from the last video, so I think we're gonna get on some more bluegill and sunfish, and hopefully maybe we'll catch some perch. They're not a ton in this lake; they're mostly out deep, but hopefully we'll get some. Hopefully we'll get on some good fish. So, how long will we do the challenge for? 30 minutes? Okay, we're going to do a 30-minute challenge to finish the score. Starting. Ready to start it?
Yep, we can. Got a 30-minute timer. Okay, yep.
3, 2, 1, go. I lost my last jig head that was really good, so I had to replace it with this little thing. Little black and yellow jig head. Again, I tipped this one with spikes and just the bobber. He's going to be using, there's my little combo. No. My drag's like busted. My rod like busted on something. I don't know. It makes a really funky noise now. Okay, let's go. Great Spook's here, but he's not doing the challenge today. I forgot to mention. The bluegill and sunfish are worth 1 point. Anything else like perch, bass, crappie, those are all worth 3 points. So you definitely want to catch those. I don't know what happened to it.
Let's go.
Okay.
You stay in here. Hey, what is up, guys? The fishing pole. I don't know if the camera saw that, but I had to go run in because the fish got off at the beach. It's now 3-6. Let's see if I can get another beat.
Got one, guys. Here we go. Here we go.
I don't even have a rod right now.
First bluegill, 1 point. I believe that makes it 7-3. 7-3. He's dubbed not to make the score lower because he wasn't in the water most of the time last episode of the part 1 of this challenge. But there you go, first fish. The action is looking a lot better so far with no wind. First bluegill.
This is a giant crappie.
Oh gosh, my reel is so busted. My drag doesn't even work, guys. I don't even know what the heck.
Well, I just got a bluegill as well. Just a little ding.
We each got a bluegill, so 8-4. He's all covered in sand, but you'll be fine. So I believe that makes it 8-4. The action is a lot better.
See, I'm Cam, we're not tough. Damien, I get this challenge. You can win. Always out. It's just you can win.
Pause it. Oh my gosh, drag.
No, Cam,
Gosh,
yeah,
this thing's busted, guys. Can't take any weight at all, but oh well. It works enough to catch fish. Okay. Another bluegill, 9-4.
you can win. This is
And instead of my hands this time, it's my toes are just absolutely freezing. Goodness. I will be doing some bass fishing soon. If you guys are wondering, it's not going to be all pan fishing. I'll definitely be doing some bass fishing soon.
I don't have a bobber. There we go. Got another one, guys. Ah! Take a track.
Another bluegill. Now that makes it 9-4. Not counting the last one. Okay. Shoot. Yeah. Guys, you choked this thing. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. There we go. Bluegill. So that makes it, yeah, 9-4. Get back in the water. This one finally stayed on until he fell. Hey, see you, buddy.
I just got a bluegill. It's now 5-9. Let's see if I can catch up.
That's another one, guys. The action is for real. Another one, guys. Ah, great. Another one, guys. The action is just awesome. We're just slaying the bluegill. There's tons of them. Ah, this track. Thing doesn't stay anymore. Okay. Oh, let's get this guy back in the water. Ah. Ah, goodness. Ah. Hook. There we go. Makes it 10-4. And one of my friends just showed up, so that's awesome. Now we use a bunch more. Oh, this guy's got. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not. This guy got attacked by a pike. He's got a big slash on his tail. There's quite a few bluegill here that have that.
Guys, I just caught one. It's 6-10.
6-10. So let's get that by. Goodness, awesome day of fishing so far, though. We're just slaying them.
Another one. No, lost it. Yeah. No, I Oh, it's a bass. No. It's the for sure bass. Or a crappie. Or the stupid hard fighting video. Yeah, it's a stupid part. I just got another one. It's now 7-11. Damien had this one.
Ah, make that 12-7.
No, Damien.
Oh, yeah, you counted it. Okay, 11-7. We're just slaying. This guy's just tiny. This lake, it's like one of the best pan fishing lakes I know, because you just, almost every time you come here, you absolutely slay the bluegill, especially during the spawn. Okay, let's get back in the water.
Oh, no, I'm not saying that. That's how you get it. It's awesome.
There's one. Come on, guys. Another one for me? No! Another one, guys. Goodness, the action is just crazy. Look at it. Now it's 12-7. It's going to be a high-scoring competition. Unless he starts getting onto some bass or something. Again, the ice fishing rod, highly recommend this challenge. It is so much fun to fight even just the smallest little bluegill on this thing. Guys, well, I lost my other setup. Luckily, I finally tied up with this little yellow jig head borrowed from my friend. Thankful for that. And now I can finally get back in the water after losing my other jig head somehow. My hand was bleeding all over the place, and I had to tie this rig, and that was a pain. But luckily we're starting it, and now it's going to start counting.
This counts?
Yeah.
Wait, does that make it 10-11?
11-9.
Nine? Okay, I guess this makes it 9. So it's 9-11. Let's go. Okay, guys, it's currently 10 to 11. We're ending the battle at 6 o'clock. Right now, it's 5:45, and I still have a chance, 1 point away from him. Guys, I just tied it up with this fish right here. It's now 11 to 11. I have the shot at a lead. I don't know what time it is.
This is ridiculous. This jig head's too big and I can't hook anything anymore.
Guys, I just caught another one. It's not that big, but it's worth a point. I'm in the lead now. 12 to... What is it? 12 to 11? No, it's 13-11, guys. Okay, this... Okay, there we go. 13 to 12. He has one now.
Had to be a big bluegill. Finally hooked a fish. I lost like 5. So, and I really don't want to eat that pepper. Man, it took a big gill to finally swallow this thing. Now I switched back to spikes. But we're still getting tons of hit. I'm just finally a gill. So what's that make it? 13 to 12? 13-12, guys. I'm gotta catch some fish. This thing's just gonna have to work.
Yep, 14-12, baby. Ah. Guys, currently it's 14-13. He just got one. What do you mean it's 14-13? I'm counting that too.
There we go, guys. Another fish. I think I just had to tighten the drag a lot and set the hook real hard. Oh shoot, he took my spikes. Great. Oh, he didn't actually. That's good. Looked like he did. Another bluegill. 14-13. MTV Slam.
There's only a few minutes left, and this thing's again almost out of battery. Now the pressure's mounting. I've really got to get back in the water, and my bobber just broke again. Oh my gosh, this thing is just a pain. Really having a ton of struggles with this line and this rod. It's bluegill. Come on, let's go. 15-13. Guys, 15-13. Another nice fish. I'm in the lead, 2 points. I hope I can maintain it until 6 o'clock. Currently, it's 5:50. So, let's see if I can get a win. Yeah. Let's go. Ah. It's just a baby, but it's worth a point. 16-13. I have a 3-point lead, and it's 5:52. He only has 3 minutes left, so I mean he has 8 minutes left. I can't count. Oh my gosh! I hate this jig head. It doesn't hook fish.
Guys, I think I'm gonna lose this round because, well, me pretty much breaking off and losing my only good jig head with that actually hooked fish, it pretty much ruined this one for me. Probably gonna lose. Oh shoot, you didn't even see that one. Bluegill, thank goodness. I haven't hooked a fish in so long. There's so many little bluegill that I can't hook any of them. I only can hook the big bluegill. My bluegill, 16-14. I've got to get some more fishing fast.
I just want to yell the word.
Got one.
Fight, right?
Oh, it's a tiny one. Don't lose him, don't lose him, don't lose him, don't lose him. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. Davey, what's the score?
Got him.
Davey, what's the score?
You're still up by 1. I still have like 2 minutes. I gotta tie this. See you, bluegill? I've gotta hurry. I've got only a few minutes. Okay, guys. So, well, we had 20 minutes because my lines kept snapping, and I lost that really good jig head, obviously. So now I had to switch, and I just couldn't hook it in because my rod decided to break on one of my hook sets, and now it's really, really hard to set the hook because the line just pops out. There's nothing I can do about. But the challenge is continuing. We took like a 15-minute break. 5 minutes left on the clock because we both are having a ton of difficulties. So 5 minutes starting now. This is just ridiculous. My rod's literally broken.
And done. Guys, I caught one. It's now 17-15. I have a 2-point lead. And Damien has 4 minutes.
My rod's broken. That's real. Gosh, my rod's broken. Well, guys, I'm gonna lose this one. My rod broke, so I think we know which rod's better. Look at that. That just spins, and look at all that crap. This is just. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can do this. This is just ridiculous. My rod's just broken.
18-15.
This one's over. Guys, oh my gosh. Okay. We're calling it. He won. There's no chance. Just look at that disaster.
Well, Damien, time for the jalapeno.
It's all over the place. Well, guys, that's the end of the challenge. It was really tight, but he managed to pull off the victory. So frustrating. Pretty much when I snapped my line and lost that really good jig head, I pretty much, well, yeah, lost it. That was the big game changer, the changing moment. And then when my rod broke and I couldn't hook fish, that just did it. Oh well. Congrats to him. He does not have to eat the jalapeno. And just taking a sniff, oh gosh, that's awful.
I can smell it from here.
Okay, first of all, I hate peppers in the beginning. Well, I don't hate them, but they're not my favorite thing in the world. And second, I'm not very good with spicy things at all. And third, I didn't bring any drinks, so there's no way I can wash this down, so this is just going to be awful. Okay. Guess I'll eat. I'm going to eat part of this.
No, you just gotta go for it all.
Oh gosh.
And you have to swallow it too.
Damien,
There
just
it
go for
is.
it all. It'll be less
Just
painful.
ripping off a little paste. Oh gosh, I hate peppers. What do you want? Oh my gosh, I don't have any. Oh my. That's awful. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna take like 5 minutes up in this video staring at it. I just gotta get it done. Oh crap, no.
You try.
Just go for it.
Okay,
Just go for it.
well, there it is.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Disgusting. How's it taste?
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh.
You have to swallow it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. That. Oh my. Oh gosh. Water. Water, please, please.
We don't have water.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's so spicy. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. That's awful. Oh. Oh gosh. That's awful. I'm so bad. Oh my gosh. I'm so thirsty. Oh. Oh my gosh. 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 That is so spicy. I hate peppers. Oh, wow. Oh, that's spicy. Well, guys, I guess that's the end of the challenge. I'm definitely going to be doing one of these. Oh, my God. Definitely going to be doing more of these types of challenges in the future. Please like this video if you want to see more challenges. I'll definitely be doing some catch and cook soon. And definitely some more challenges and some bass fishing and maybe some river, some how-to stuff. All that kind of stuff. So, it was a tight match. Lots of pressure. We caught a lot of fish. Fun day of fishing. Oh, gosh. That's awful. I'm not a huge fan of peppers. That was a gross one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna be doing a couple more pepper type spicy thing challenges, maybe with hot sauce. That stuff's even spicier than this one was. Luckily, the aftertaste isn't that bad. Okay, so yeah, try to make this quicker. So fun day fishing, part 2 of this challenge. Definitely do more later. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.